Hello, welcome to my channel. So today let's go visit a tribal village in Nagaland. You are looking at the door of this storage area. It's kind of spooky. Those skulls that you're looking at, those are actual real skulls after headhunting. These Naga people used to headhunt. That is a big basket kind of a thing to store grains. And look at this vibrant artistic door and sculpture. This is on the same house, same door. Keeping the tradition alive, this lady here is making a small shawl. It looks very beautiful. I did purchase one of those. It's pocket friendly and had to give it to one of my friends, and they did like it very much. Looking at the kitchen, no gas, firewood old style, and storing their kitchen items. This is the place where family gathers, fireplace. Of course, how can you miss their pets? Especially when they're this cute. And even more cuter kids. Now, when they step out of their houses, this is the view that they get from their porch. Real pleasant forest, not the concrete jungle that we see in the cities. It is like a treat to your eyes. I mean, look at this, how beautiful it is. You can find the rhythms of your heart changing. It's lovely. What is this, you might wonder? You won't believe if I said that these are the gallery of a football field. You will see the goal post in a second. It's coming up. There it is. Time for a big smile. Thank you for watching.